It's Beginner Locksmith, and I'm starting Beginner Locksmith Academy. This course is for beginner locksmiths who are starting from scratch, who do not know the tools or terminology yet, and want everything broken down step by step with no prior experience. It is perfect if you're curious about the trade, want to test the waters without spending thousands, and prefer clear, practical explanation over theory. How this course fits in: you can treat it as a low investment way to explore automotive locksmithing before committing to an in-person school or longer course or apprenticeship. In-person training will always be the gold standard, and nothing replaces live on-hand training practice with real cars and an experienced instructor. So this course is meant to prepare you and give you a head start, not replace formal training. This course will go over key identification, automotive lockouts, leash key overview, universal key generation, key programming and key cutting, and starter stock and what I recommend. If I were starting from zero once again, this is what I would recommend to my past self. By the end, you should have a clear picture of what an automotive locksmith does, tools involved, and whether you want to invest in a live school or an apprenticeship to go professional.